I recently reached out to my friends at ROCKLER and told them that I had never used a lathe before. So they hooked me up. There was really only one place to put it, but I would need to rearrange. They also sent some carbide turning tools, but I needed to make room for those too. So out with the old hand tool shelf and in with the new. All the saws and chisels have a new slot closer to the bench, and the turning tools have a home right behind the new lathe. You know I'm big on dust collection at every tool to keep my tiny shop clean. And I added this piece of plywood on hinges to keep dust from going behind the cabinet. And of course, the most important part, so you get a good view of my new obsession. I saved this piece of carob wood from my neighbor's firewood pile several years ago. Keep in mind, I've never done a single turning in my life, and I have no idea what I'm doing. But that's what YouTube's for, right? I've heard that carbide turning tools were an easy way for beginners to get started. So let's put that to the test. To start, I turned just enough of a tenon to put in the Nova chuck. I'm just using the tailstock initially for alignment in the chuck, as well as some additional support while I get started. I mounted a hose for the dust collection on the side of my cabinet. Before the spindle got skinny and unstable, I worked my way through the sand and grits on the bottom. I'm using this tiny letter stamp for my signature. And leaving my finish to the bees. each section, I sand down progressively through the grits and polish with wax before moving on, because it gets less and less stable as I remove more material. A huge thank you to all of my supporters on Patreon for encouraging me to go out into the shop late at night after the kids are in bed and produce these videos. If you want to join the club, get access to my SketchUp files, t-shirts, stickers, and other merchandise, or see your name at the end of these videos, just find me on Patreon. See you later.